Want money working while you sleep? Trading can scale faster than saving, but only if you use rules, not guesses. Markets hate randomness. Pros have a plan. They follow a trend. Level signal. Not an expert yet. Use an AI trading indicator bot as your on-chart coach. Get trend overlays, support and resistance maps, and clear buy and sell signals with live alerts right on TradingView. My rule: only act when trend plus, level plus, signal align. Risk 1 to 2% per attempt. Stop after 3 losses or minus 5% daily. No martingale missed trade is not a lost trade. Let's say we are in an uptrend. We pull back to support. The signal prints. We enter at the stop, under the swing. We scale out at 1R, 2R, 3R. Want clearer entries and fewer impulse clicks? Get the AI Indicator Plus starter templates. Link in the description. Educational only. No guarantees. Test first. Trade small. Follow your rules.